Ladies and gentlemen, there comes a moment in life when you must turn down the noise of the world and tune into the power within. That moment is now. The title of this message is not just a phrase, it's a call to action. Focus on yourself and shock everyone. Napoleon Hill once said, "You become what you think about." And what better thing to think about, what better investment to make than yourself? You see, the world is watching. Some are cheering for you, others, they're waiting for you to fall. But the most powerful thing you can do is go silent, go inward, and build in the dark. Focus not on proving people wrong, focus on proving yourself right. Every second you spend worrying about others' opinions is a second stolen from your own potential. You don't need validation, you don't need applause. What you need is vision, discipline, and an unyielding belief in your capacity to rise. The journey to greatness begins the moment you decide to focus inward and stop relying on the opinions or validations of others. Self-investment is not a luxury, it is a necessity. Far too many people spend their entire lives trying to please everyone around them, chasing approval like it's currency. But approval fades, trends shift, and praise is often conditional. What remains constant is the person staring back at you in the mirror. That person is your greatest responsibility. When you shift your attention away from distractions and towards your own personal growth, something powerful begins to happen. You start recognizing your potential. You stop comparing yourself to others because you realize that your greatest competition is who you were yesterday, not someone else's highlight reel. The world often rewards those who seem confident, polished, and successful. But what it rarely shows is the quiet, consistent effort behind that image, the sleepless nights, the early mornings, the sacrifices, and the discipline it takes to rise. That's where real transformation occurs. When you focus on yourself, you begin to see where your energy truly belongs. You stop pouring it into relationships that drain you, habits that sabotage you, and environments that suffocate your progress. Instead, you start redirecting that energy into becoming stronger, smarter, more focused, and more resilient. Every small act of discipline becomes an act of self-love. Every goal you set and pursue becomes a declaration that your life matters, that your future matters, and that you are not here just to exist, but to evolve. You begin to value your time. You protect your peace. You choose growth over gossip, vision over opinions, and character over comfort. And though the world might not notice you at first, though your efforts may go unseen and uncelebrated, this is the season of building. The invisible work is the most important. That's the soil from which greatness grows. Eventually, the person you become will amaze even you. The strength you build from facing your own doubts, the confidence that comes from doing the work when no one is watching, the clarity you gain from listening to your inner voice, all of it compounds into something extraordinary. And by the time others take notice, you won't need their approval. You'll already know who you are and what you've built. Because you didn't chase recognition, you built self-worth. You didn't follow the crowd, you carved your own path. That kind of self-investment doesn't just change your life. It shocks everyone who thought they knew you. They thought you were average. They thought you wouldn't last. But you proved them wrong without saying a word. You just focused on yourself and let the results speak. Let them talk. Let them doubt. Let them criticize. Words are cheap and easy to throw, but results, they're undeniable. When you make the decision to stay silent and let your actions do the talking, you shift from playing defense to commanding respect. Most people waste their energy responding to opinions, justifying their path, and trying to convince others of their worth. But true power comes from not needing to explain. It comes from focusing on the work so deeply that the results eventually become impossible to ignore. You rise not because you argued your way to the top, but because you worked your way there. That's how silence becomes louder than any voice. That's how you begin to shock people. Not with noise, but with undeniable proof. In a world where everyone wants to be seen, the smartest move is to disappear into your craft. Let them wonder where you've gone. While they're busy discussing others, you're busy becoming someone they never saw coming. The gym becomes your therapy. The books become your mentors. The routines become your structure. And every day, quietly and consistently, you're stacking progress. No post, no speech, no announcement, just effort. That quiet effort begins to reshape your identity. It sharpens your focus, strengthens your will, and hardens your discipline. You become so consumed by growth that you no longer feel the need to defend your vision. When others try to define you, don't answer with explanations. Answer with transformation. Walk into rooms with the energy of someone who has nothing to prove because the work already proved it. You're not competing for attention. You're earning results that speak for themselves. It's not arrogance, it's the calm confidence that only comes from consistent effort, day in and day out. And those who once doubted you will look again. Not because you shouted louder, but because your silence became thunderous through action. That's how change works. That's how legends are built, not on stage, but in solitude. People often forget that the ones who shock the world aren't the loudest. They're the most disciplined. The ones who walk away from the noise, turn inward, and return transformed. Their success forces people to pay attention. Their story demands respect. Their results shut down every critic. That kind of silence can't be faked. It can only come from hours of unseen work, sacrifices made in secret, and a vision that burns too brightly to be stopped by words. So don't argue, don't explain, just build, improve, transform. And one day when they least expect it, you'll walk in as the person they never believed you could become. And in that moment, you won't have to say anything. Your life will speak for itself. Consistency is the invisible engine behind every great success. It's not about massive leaps or dramatic breakthroughs every day. It's about showing up, doing the work, and staying committed to your path even when motivation fades. Discipline is the muscle that turns dreams into reality, and momentum is what keeps that muscle growing stronger. When you commit to something every single day, no matter how small the step, you start to create a rhythm, a pattern, a force that begins to move you forward almost automatically. That force, momentum, is powerful. Once it's in motion, it becomes harder to stop. But the only way to create it is through daily action, repeated effort, and unwavering discipline. You might not see the results instantly. There are days you'll feel like you're failing, days where progress feels invisible, days where quitting seems easier than continuing. But consistency doesn't demand perfection. It only asks that you don't stop, that you keep going, that you trust the process even when the evidence isn't there yet. Because deep beneath the surface, something is happening. Habits are forming, strength is building, focus is sharpening, and without even realizing it, you're becoming stronger than you've ever been before. Not because of one big action, but because of thousands of small, disciplined choices made when no one was watching. It's easy to get distracted. It's easy to look at others and feel like you're behind. But comparison is a trap that kills momentum. When you're truly focused, when you're locked in on your path, distractions lose their power. You begin to realize that staying consistent with your goals matters more than keeping up with someone else's timeline. It's not about how fast you get there. It's about never giving up on the journey. Momentum doesn't come from intensity. It comes from continuity, from doing what needs to be done whether you feel like it or not. Every time you push yourself to take action, even when it's hard, you're casting a vote for the person you want to become. You're reinforcing the mindset of a finisher, not just a starter. And the beauty is, the more consistent you become, the less willpower you need. Your actions start to feel automatic. Your body and mind start to adapt to your new standard. You don't just do the work, you become the work. And that's when the transformation begins. That's when people start to notice. That's when results compound and become unstoppable. In the end, success isn't built on talent alone, nor is it fueled by bursts of passion. It's earned by those who master the art of discipline and allow momentum to carry them through resistance, fatigue, and doubt. Keep showing up. Keep pushing forward. The quiet grind you're putting in today is building the unstoppable force that will move mountains tomorrow. Transformation is the most powerful response to doubt. When you commit to focusing on yourself and doing the deep, uncomfortable work of growth, you begin to evolve in ways that even you didn't fully expect. People may look at you and assume they know your limits, your potential, your future, but they're judging who you were, not who you're becoming. That's what makes transformation so shocking. It doesn't ask for permission, it doesn't make announcements, it just happens, quietly, steadily, powerfully. And one day the world is forced to see a version of you that no one imagined, not even the doubters who once underestimated your strength. You won't recognize yourself at first. You'll look back and see how far you've come, how many battles you've won in silence, How many times you chose growth when it would have been easier to stay comfortable. You'll notice how your thoughts have matured, how your habits have solidified, how your mindset has shifted from scarcity to power. And the beautiful part, this change wasn't for show. It was for you. You weren't trying to impress anyone. You were trying to heal, rise, build, and become. You weren't trying to prove a point. You were trying to fulfill your potential. The people around you might not understand at first. They'll remember the old version of you, the one who doubted, hesitated, made excuses, or played small. But as you evolve, those old labels won't fit anymore. And when they see you step into your new identity with quiet confidence, it will challenge their perception. That's the shock. It's not loud, it's not aggressive, it's undeniable. You didn't just get better, you became unrecognizable in the best way. Not by pretending, but by aligning every part of yourself with who you were always meant to be. You don't need to shout about your transformation. Your actions will reveal it. The way you walk, the way you speak, the choices you make, the peace you carry, those things will announce your growth louder than any speech. And those who once dismissed you will be forced to reassess. Not because you needed them to, but because the evidence is too strong to ignore. You'll become the example they never saw coming, the proof that change is possible, that power is built, and that identity is not fixed, it is forged. This kind of transformation takes courage. It demands sacrifice. It requires letting go of old beliefs, breaking patterns, and embracing the discomfort that comes with growth. But it's worth every ounce of effort. Because at the end of the journey, you will no longer be seeking validation or approval. You'll be walking in alignment with your truth, your strength, your purpose. You'll shock the world not by what you say, but by what you become. And in that moment, you'll realize the greatest victory was never about impressing others. It was about finally becoming the person you always knew you could be. The message behind this speech is clear and powerful. True transformation begins the moment you decide to focus solely on yourself. Not to chase approval, not to silence doubters with words, but to build something within that is unshakable. Growth doesn't happen in the spotlight. It happens in silence and struggle, in moments of quiet discipline when no one is watching. And through that commitment, you evolve into a version of yourself that commands respect without demanding it. By staying consistent, embracing the grind, and refusing to quit, you create momentum that can't be stopped. The world may doubt you now, but if you keep showing up, keep improving, and keep your focus sharp, you will become the very person they never saw coming. In the end, the greatest victory is not in proving others wrong, but in proving to yourself that you were always capable of more. Focus on yourself and let your success shock everyone.